The 511 Bristol Parka combines all-weather performance and an assortment of tactical enhancements to provide an ideal solution for winter patrol wear. A removable bloodborne pathogen-resistant inner lining provides maximum on-the-job protection and allows you to adapt to changing weather conditions. Our patented quick zip system gives you fast and reliable access to your sidearm. The Bristol Parka also includes our patented 511 hidden document pockets. We've added elasticized cuffs with adjustable hook and loop closures. We've included additional storage pockets throughout the parka to keep your gear secure. This parka is backup belt system compatible and contains removable ID panels at the left chest and back. The Bristol Parka has an integrated key clip. There's a badge tab at the right chest and mic loops on both chest pockets. The inner jacket is made from 100% polyester bonded softshell. This is the 511 Bristol Parka.